Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I'll show you how you can get this cool theme of the wallpaper. It's a default Samsung theme, the name Keys Cafe, that you can actually download from the browser. So at the first I'm going to delete this app, and I will show you step by step how to get it. Okay, as you can see it was removed. So right now we have to move for our browser. We have to tap on the search pool. And we have to type Keys Cafe Android 11 APK. Click to go. And after a few seconds we will get the website apkmirror.com. So we have to wait. We have to click and wait until it loads. And then we have to scroll down and find the download APK button. So click on it. Right now be patient and just wait. The download will be start automatically. Click download. Let's confirm. Right now we can open that file. Let's click install. And right now we can simply open it. Tap on the switcher, then click to style our own keyboard. Here we got recommended effects, but I'm going here to customize my own. And here we got the preview how it's changed when you pick one of them. I'll take probably this one, and this one. So right now when we go back, we can enjoy this beautiful theme of our keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!